Welcome back. Your weekly sight words. I am your teacher, Miss Thee. Welcome back. I will be teaching another lesson on weekly sight words. Are you guys ready? Let's go get started. And say "and" with Miss Thee. And is. Can you say is? By. Say by. My. Can you say my? Do. Can you say do? Now, we're going to use all of our words in a sentence. Are you ready? I see an egg. It is red. I sit by Mom. Look at my book. I can do it. Now, let's see if you can recognize all of the sight words on the first try. Are you ready? An is. By. My. Do. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye guys.